What's up, YouTube? Philip D'Anza here with my boy Luciano D'Anza, and we got a cool channel that we're setting up for you guys. We hope you like it. We hope you subscribe. We're gonna have some cool stuff going on here. We're gonna be doing some detailing, some washing of some cool cars, and also some absolute disaster cars. Disgusting disaster cars. We're gonna refurbish them for people, so it's gonna be super fun. So we definitely want to start off with showing you guys a little shop tour and some of our cars that we have here that we keep inside the shop. And come on, let's give you a tour. All right, so we got the shop here. We got the coolest garage door around. We got that wrapped. And then we got some nice posters here. Little Steve McQueen. Racing is life. Anything that happens before or after is just waiting. Love that phrase. We got some nice artwork here. We got our little 996. Little 996 Carrera we got customized. All right, let's check out the inside. Looking sweet. I had this car for a very long time. So we got some Traxxas cars. We got some cool artwork here. Now we'll go over to my E30 race car. Little SCCA club racing toy, right? Hop inside, Luca. Nice Sparco setup. We got the TrackMate. We got the nice Sparco seats. All right, how's that? We got the wheels. We got the sick wrap. Car's looking beautiful. A little dusty. That'll be the next video. We'll clean this thing. All right, let's see what we got here. This is a 1979 911 SC deck lid, which I customized. Did this pretty sick Porsche mural. It's a tribute to old man Porsche. Nice little wall decor. And we got some more artwork here. A little Gran Turismo. Got some nice wall art up there. Little D'Anza sign. Got a detailing product. Scroll over to here. We got our E92 M3. This is a 2008. Let's check this out. We're gonna wash this thing a little bit later in the video. This thing needs a nice wash.
Yeah, why don't you rev it?
Huh?
Why don't you rev it?
No, I'm not gonna rev it. It's too loud. We'll save that for another video. Nice 6-speed. Oh yeah. 3 pedals, baby. It's the only way. Only way. And we got this beautiful mural that I designed up here on the back wall. So I'd say a pretty cool garage. What do you say, Luca?
That's cool.
Yeah. So what we got here, we got our 2001 996 911. We got a factory roof RGT front bumper. I got that a long time ago. We got the nice wheels on it. We got the brakes matching. We got the custom one-off stripes that I designed. Nice wing, little H&R suspension. Pop open the inside, let's check it out. Yeah, let's see, look at. We got the nice mats. We got the nice Alcantara. What do you think, Luca? This gonna be yours one day? You gonna know how to drive it? It's a stick shift.
I'll try to.
All right, I'll teach you. I'll teach you. All right, let's check out the E30. We got my E30 track car here. Dusty from sitting in the shop. But we're gonna get this thing cleaned. Perfect. Let's check out the inside. We got the safety net. We got the steering wheel. This thing is a lot of fun on track. A lot of fun. Yeah, we'll get this thing cleaned. Let's see what we got in the back. Leo's dad. That's for Leonardo. You're gonna meet him in the next video. That's an old license plate that I would race with. We got the smoke taillights. Little BMW Motorsport graphic. USA, baby. Come on. G Design Wraps Racing. Number 18. We got the DTM style side mirrors. And this thing is looking nice. Here we got our E92 M3 wrapped in the KPFM purple film with the 3M satin charcoal gray. We got the custom emblems. This thing needs a little wash too. Let's wash it. We'll wash it up in a little bit.
Okay.
We'll get the guys and we'll get this thing scrubbed up. Oh, here we go. We got the smoke taillights. We got the custom M3 badge. Yeah, man, come on, I painted it.
What did it look like before?
It was chrome. Chrome's gross. We got the nice VMR wheels with the purple calipers. Yeah, this thing's gonna need a little wash. Let's get the guys, let's give this thing a little wash, all right? What's up, guys? We hope you enjoyed the shop tour. We got a lot of new things in the works for you guys that you hopefully will like. Drop a like, subscribe, leave us a comment, hit us an email. Let us know what you want to see. Let us know if you want to see more of the E30, the M3, the 911. But we look forward to making some cool videos with you, right? With Luca, Leo, and all of us here at the D'Anza Auto Salon. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.